Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Wix account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type wix.com and press enter. Wait for the Wix homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click login to open the sign-in options. If you already have a Wix account, choose email as the login method. Click inside the email field and type the email address you used for Wix. Click inside the password field and type your Wix password carefully. Double-check for typos, especially uppercase letters and symbols. Click the login button to access your account. If you signed up with Google, click Continue with Google instead. Select the correct Google account from the list or add another account if needed. Approve any permission prompts to complete the sign-in. If you signed up with Facebook, click Continue with Facebook. Enter your Facebook login details if you are not already signed in. Confirm the login to return to Wix automatically. If you signed up with Apple, click Continue with Apple. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to authenticate. If you forgot your Wix password, click Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address and submit the password reset request. Open your email inbox and find the message from Wix. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password. Go back to Wix.com and try logging in again with the new password. If you are on a shared device, avoid selecting the option to stay logged in. If login fails, clear your browser cache or try an incognito/private window. Make sure your internet connection is stable and refresh the page once. After signing in, you will land on your Wix dashboard with your sites listed. Click the site you want to manage to start editing or viewing settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.